The 2016 Acura ILX. Acura has taken the Honda Civic Si to new levels of luxury and performance with the ILX. The luxury in the new Acura ILX includes leather heated seats and a powerful array of voice command and high-end technological advancements, while being powered by a high-performance engine that propels this compact sports sedan quicker than you may expect. If enjoying the drive is something important to you, then the ILX might be the one you are looking for.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control,
Navigation system,
stability control,
power passenger seat,
anti-lock braking system,
steering wheel audio controls,
power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.